Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record a video using Shortcut. And in here, I've already opened the Shortcut apps. And if you want to record a video and then directly edit it on Shortcut, you can use this camera feature in Shortcut app. So on the homepage in here, you'll easily find the camera button. Click on that and the camera will be open just like this. You can choose between the video or photo. If you want to take the photo, just click on the photo tab in here. If you want to click a video, click on the video here. On the right side, there will be some like settings that you can modify. For example, you can use a timer. You can also change the ratio of the video result, and you can also change the quality. Okay, I'm going to just go with 1080, and to start recording the video you can just click on the start button. Okay, so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.